The call has been loud and clear. The mission is inclusive.
Let us recommit ourselves and redouble our efforts to eradicate the scourge of poverty. Another step toward emancipation from poverty.
It involves people taking charge of their own affairs and choosing their own destiny, but not without support. Assistance is coming under the third phase of the Poverty Reduction Program PRP3. Under this initiative, the European Union agreed with the Jamaican government to spend $1.4 billion in poor communities.
It is a project implemented by Jamaicans for Jamaicans, aimed at delivering direct and concrete support to the community where it is most needed.
Over a period of 48 months, the grant fund provided will prop up a range of infrastructure and human development projects under the Government of Jamaica's Community Renewal Program CRP, an initiative for empowering the community, the family, and the individual to develop and achieve their fullest potential. It's a fight against poverty, crime, and violence, spearheaded by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, with other agencies helping. 100 vulnerable and volatile communities are among the main targets, covering areas in Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and St. James.
Recognizing the link between poverty and crime, the program will address critical social development needs of the targeted communities and help guide residents, especially youth, away from crime. These are goals that are well aligned to the priorities of the government.
It calls for a holistic transformation built on the model of an integrated community renewal approach to development.
It will ensure greater harmony, reduce duplication, and allow for more effective use of available resources. Under this model, there will be coordination with other projects and programs being implemented by other agencies. These entities include the Ministry of National Security, Ministry of Education, National Housing Trust, the Social Development Commission, National Solid Waste Management Authority, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and others.
Improving governance by strengthening the capacity of organizations within the communities is one of 4 objectives of the PRP3. Other aims include physical transformation of communities by increasing access to basic infrastructure and services, changing their socio-economic state by increasing business and job opportunities, and enhancing youth development by reinforcing positive values and attitudes. Wherever it is to happen, infrastructure projects will be carried out in partnership with beneficiary communities. The residents are to contribute 10% of the total investment through sweat equity or labor. Focus groups within communities must propose development activities they have designed themselves. Submitted projects could get the support of grants up to a maximum of $1.2 million. These may span the gamut of public infrastructure development ventures to those creating income, jobs, and wealth.
This occasion is truly a testament to people empowerment, volunteerism, and people participating in their own development. As we work to make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.
I want to urge all the people in the communities across the Jamaica, particularly in those at-risk communities, to identify projects, make contact with JSIF, and see if you can find a way to improve the quality of life in those communities.
Consider the possibilities for a life-changing opportunity. Be inspired by those who've made the breakthrough, using small grant money to achieve big dreams, seeing one's own ideas transformed into reality, and making a big difference in a community.